kids, Miss Kulkarni here. In this video, let's talk about rate laws. What exactly we mean by rate law, and there is something which we call as order of a reaction. Let's find out that. So, a rate law for a reaction which is A plus B giving AB as a product could be written as K times A to the power X and B to the power Y. Now each of this term has a meaning. K is considered a rate constant. Obviously it must be a constant and it can only change with temperature. And this K has a certain units. We will talk about that later. What is X? X is considered as the order of reaction with respect to A because that is the exponent for A. And Y is the exponent for B and that is called as the order of reaction with respect to B. Anytime we use these square brackets, that means it is concentration. So how can we tell the orders of reactions with respect to some chemicals? If the rate for AB is equal to K times A square to B to the power 3. The exponent for A is 2 and that means with respect to A we got second order. Then the exponent for B is 3, that means with respect to B the order is third. And then what is the overall order? It is simply add the orders with respect to A and B or all the reactants. So in this case it's 2 plus 3 equals 5 as the overall order. So what exactly orders mean to us? If with respect to A the order is 0, that means if you double the concentration it will have no effect. If the order is first order or equal to 1, then it will be 2 to the power 1, which is 2 times. If the order is 2, it is 2 square, which is 4 times. And if the order is 3, it is 2 to the power 3, which is 8 times. So you got it. Suppose if the order with respect to A is 5, it will be 2 to the power 5. Or if the order is n, it will be 2 to the power n. So many times increase for the rate. Let's go back to our equation for the rate law, in which rate was equal to K times A to the power 2 and B to the power 3. That means the order is 2 with respect to A and 3 with respect to B. In the situations which are given here, let's find out what is the effect on the rate of the chemical reaction. The first one, we are doubling the concentration of A. So that will be 2 because we are doubling and to the order of the reaction which is 2. So 2 square. That means it will be 4 times increase in the rate. In this case, we are tripling the concentration of A. So that comes here 3. And what's the power with respect to A? That is 2. So it's 3 square, which is 9. And it will be increasing 9 times. If B is double, okay? If B is double, double is 2. And now it is B. With respect to B, the power is 3. So it will be 2 to the power 3, which will be 8. What if B is triple? Okay? So now B will be 3. And the power for B is 3. So it's 3 to the power 3, which will be 27. And look at this. With respect to A and B, now both are double. So A will become 2, double. The power is 2. And B is double, but the power is 3. So when you multiply all of that, what do we get? We get 32 as the answer. And let's look at the last one. If A is triple and B is double, So A is 3 times and B is 2 times double. The power with respect to A is 2. With respect to B, it is 3. And when we multiply all that, we end up getting 70. So if we know the rate law expressions, it's very easy to predict and judge how the rate can be affected by increasing and decreasing the concentration of the reactants. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.